Hola! Our class today is about the pluperfect indicative, also called the past perfect, and in Spanish is called el pluscuamperfecto del indicativo. Like the present perfect tense, the pluperfect or past perfect is formed with the verb haber plus past participle. While the present perfect communicates the idea of have or has done something, the past perfect or pluperfect, el pluscuamperfecto, communicates the idea of had done something, describing an action that had taken place before another point in time in the past. For example, cuando llegué al aeropuerto, when I arrived at the airport, el avión ya había salido. The plane had already left. Okay? So here you have an action that had taken place before another one in point in time in the past, which is this one. The plane had already left. El avión ya había salido when I arrived at the airport. First, let's try to understand this terminology, pluscuamperfecto, okay? The word pluscuamperfecto itself is a compound word. If we divide it into the three components, then we have plus, more, quam, then, perfecto, past. We find that the term defines how this verb tense describes an action or event back past another past action or event or more than past. Let's see the formation of the pluscuamperfecto. Well, first you start with the imperfect tense of the verb haber. So this is a compound tense. And then you're going to join it with the past participle. So había, habías, había, habíamos, habíais, habían. Plus past participle, always in the masculine singular form. Let's see some examples. Yo había tomado. Tú habías comido. Usted había vivido. Él o ella había tomado. Nosotros, nosotras habíamos comido. Vosotros, vosotras habíais vivido. Ustedes habían tomado. Ellos, ellas habían comido. So, el director había dirigido otras dos orquestas antes de venir a Boston. So, I'm saying that he had already conducted two other orchestras before coming to Boston. So, in this case, since I'm referring to something before coming here, which is past, and I'm referring to something that is beyond past, I'm going to use more than past. Cuando entramos, la diva ya había cantado el aria. So past, when we arrived. More than past, so she had already done something when we arrived. Nos dijo que el compositor había estado enfermo. So he told us, this is past, that he had been sick. So that happened before he told us. Remember that in compound tenses, nothing can be inserted between the auxiliary haber and the past participle. Haber must agree in number with the subject, and the past participle has only one form. El público lo había visto antes. So these two always go together. You cannot put anything in between them. Los músicos habían tocado maravillosamente. Well, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you review this video, you read your notes, and you ask me questions in class if you have. Gracias.